How to remove a Trojan virus from Windows without any software. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to scan for and remove malware using Windows built-in tools. No third-party software required. First, click the search icon on the taskbar. Type Command Prompt. Then select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter. sfc/scan now. This will scan and repair corrupted system files. Let the scan complete before moving on. Next, open the search bar again. Type File Explorer Options and open it. Go to the View tab, select Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Then click Apply and OK. Now press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type %temp %, and click OK. Press Ctrl plus A to select all the files, then press Delete. If some files can't be deleted because they're in use, choose Skip. Repeat the same process for the temp folder by opening Run, typing temp, and deleting all the temporary files. Next, open Run again. Type prefetch, click OK, and delete all the files in that folder. Skip any files that are currently in use. Now open Settings on your PC. Go to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Install any available updates and restart your PC if prompted. Finally, go to Privacy and Security. Tap on Windows Security. Tap on Virus and Threat Protection. Click Scan Options. Your PC will restart, and Microsoft Defender will scan your computer before Windows loads, helping detect and remove malware that may be hiding. And that's it. You've successfully scanned your Windows PC for Trojan viruses using built-in Windows tools. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more helpful Windows tips and tutorials.